drag race between these 4 vehicles. In a straight line, so for a fair head-to-head battle, we have built the ultimate race track. Drivers, before the big race, you are each going to set a lap to make sure that the track is fair.
Oh, look at this.
Each vehicle has its own line specifically built for its strengths. These cars and drivers each have different advantages and challenges on a regular circuit, so we've built a custom racetrack to even the odds and see which one comes out on top.
And I have to do the long lap.
You have a Formula One car. The F1 car's rapid speed stands apart, so we'll challenge it to run the full length of the circuit.
I'm ready for it.
You want to go first?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Let's go.
Before the head-to-head race, each vehicle will set a lap time to ensure the track is fair. The F1 car will rocket past 180 miles per hour and go the furthest distance. What time will it set as the benchmark? When it comes to cornering speed, each of these vehicles tackles corners in a different way. The Formula One car is engineered to have advanced aerodynamics and incredible downforce that keeps it glued to the track. This allows it to carry more speed, making it unbeatable in the corners.
Man, the sound is just wicked. I'm glad he's got the long way around the track.
Yeah, your guys' track is much shorter than this. Don't tell me you guys are getting nervous now. That silence speaks volumes. It sounds so good.
This last corner is gonna be really cool. Hopefully it's close enough race that we all kind of merge close to each other, because it would just make for a really cool ending.
Different layouts, but we all come together on the last turn.
Okay, nice job, mate. If you want to bring it back to the pit. Copy.
I think these guys are starting to get a little intimidated, but that's what we're here for.
He's got a long ass track he's got to get around to. We've got a couple of shortcuts that we can take.
The F1 car set a 1 minute 20. Can the drift car match this time to make it a proper head-to-head battle in the final race?
If I go off the track, I'm stuck there for the rest of the day with the gators and everything else that's out here in Texas.
Mad Mike will need to drift through each corner and maintain speed. The faster he can connect the corners, the better his time will be. I think Mike's biggest struggle is going to be getting it off the line quickly.
There he goes.
Oh, that is cool. Oh my gosh.
There we go.
That has to be hairy.
He wants to be sideways at every corner.
Mike has to go around the track drifting, creating smoke and a show. We can just go fast.
Tires are gonna be gone, huh?
With a rear-wheel drive setup, this McLaren is a master at sliding with complete control.
Come on, Mike, go!
That's gonna be 21.
Close. The drift car will have to find an extra second in the final race to cross the line first.
I'm going for style points, so I don't know if I'm going to be like the...
Yeah, because
The winner,
the
but-
more you slide out, the more speed you scrub.
Yeah.
So do you want to look cool? Do you want to go fast? What's the balance?
That's the story of my life, like legit.
The Rallycross car has the fastest acceleration off the line. It hits 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. It can go off-road to cut corners. Can it match the 120 benchmark for the head-to-head race?
send it.
He's booking.
Oh, mate, look at that. He's definitely racing for time.
The Rallycross car is 1:20.56. If the truck can match this lap time, these cars can race wheel to wheel. Andrew's Pro 4 truck has the greatest suspension out of the 4 cars. It can jump over the track and run off-road. He has the shortest distance, but will he cross the finish line first? You can see the Pro 4 truck's smooth suspension from the second it takes off. Look at it. That looks nuts.
Oh, I want to turn.
Oh my God.
Oh, that jump's sweet. We are going to be so covered in mud. Well, you are. You got no roof. You're going to get covered in mud.
There's no question that this truck is the king of suspension and racing off-road.
Dude, look at that thing go!
Oh man, that thing boogies.
This jump is sweet. Look, it's got a big straight run up for it too.
He's got to have the biggest smile on his face while he's driving.
And then watch the roost around here. Straight into the puddle.
Into the mud.
Look at that. Oh my God. Sick. Oh. Man, I want to swap jobs.
That looks fun. Talk about off-road. No other car can rip the off-road lines and jumps Andrew can take to even the odds. What time?
120.
120.
Really?
Bro, I'm
Mike,
so
we
slow.
all can run 120s. Can you turn it up at all? Is there a
I'm
knob in
freaking
there?
run full boost 100. The only thing I can do is just smoke the whole track and just keep it sideways so there's no room for passing.
As it stands now, yes or no, do you think it's going to be a fair race?
It's going to be a fair
Yes,
race.
yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
The race lines are set, the lap times are close. Who will cross the line first in this head-to-head race? The F1 car way up front. We have Scott Speed in P2 right now. Mad Mike in P3. The truck with the fastest lap time is now in the back. It may look like the F1 car is in front right now, but he has a longer track that he needs to go through. It's gonna be really close. This is close. This is gonna be a close one. And the winner of the Ultimate Racetrack is Mad Mike in P1.
From last to the top. Woo!